Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add a payment method on your website or on your Odoo website. So you have to come on this page after logging in your profile, go to website. From there you have to click on the configuration, and from there you have to click on payment providers. So from here you can see you have a lot of options like wire transfer, demo, and then whatever you want to see, like Stripe, Pay. I usually use PayPal and Stripe and Razorpay. These are the most common payment providers which used by most of the people. So click on whatever. For example, if you are uh, using the Stripe, just click on Stripe and install it. Give some time, it will install. For now, you have to enable it. First of all, you have to connect the Stripe. Go to Stripe is not available in my country. I will go to another payment method. So make sure you have the availability, the payment provider in your country. For example, Razorpay allows user. Now from here you can connect. Click on connect. It will redirect you to the Razorpay. First of all, you have to add, if you are signed up with the Razorpay, if you have an account, you just add email address and password, and you can connect that uh, with the Odoo. I don't have any account in Razorpay. I will just simply go to test mode, then just simply click on connect. It will connect my Razorpay with the website. Enter your password and log in, and from here go to configuration and allow saving payment method and capture amount manually. So the maximum amount you can set here, and the currencies you can choose. If you don't want to payments in some specific countries currencies, you can just click on that cross button. It will remove that currency from your available currency. So here you can add bank, payment general, and country. So these are things. You can customize the payment messages as well, and you can add the configuration. So this is how you can this is right now, it is unpublished. For that I have to connect the payment Razorpay to my Odoo account. After that you can just click on unpublished. It will publish the payment, or it will connect the payment with the Odoo website. So this is how you can connect your payment methods with your website. If this video found you helpful, then subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.